Hi, welcome back to part 2 of the unboxing review of the DUNCAN Pro Z Yo-Yo. So you're going to have to take this, kind of push it down to get the small little bolt out of there. Remove the bearings completely. Get the spacer in there. Grab your other little bearing part. Get that nice and tight in there. Grab the big old bearing right there. Then kind of get your string lined up on here. Let's see here. Doesn't matter which way this goes. Not really sure. But I think it's supposed to go small to small, like that. And then you take this, place it on there. Take this one, place it on there. Yep. Now we have it set up for unresponsive. So, let me move the camera back. Try to get this little knot out that's starting to form over here. Come on, don't spin. One thing about the unresponsive yellows that I hate, winding them up. Really, really hard to wind up because they're unresponsive. Come on, this one's super unresponsive right now. You know what, I'm just going to have to hand wind it. Oh my god, what's going on here? This yo-yo's getting all knotted up. I swear I'm going to have a bit of knot in here. Time I'm done with this. There we go. So, yep, just kind of give it a couple good winds here. Okay. Now it should finally be ready to go without any more interruptions and stuff. So, yeah. It doesn't really spin that good in unresponsive mode. To be honest with you, I don't know, I'd say responsive is a little bit better. Because the whole unresponsive thing, I don't know, it's not really that great. Personally,